Batisi TV Lawan Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat baganet foodish Ordar mapi ninwan ramani hakir dobiyeng jongpi
Di Pulit jong Mawkynroh outpost hak arpui terus liau arajar arpuar. Kila Pynsngewthuh pajba halor ki Kyndon jong an Cigarettes and Other Tobacco Products Act 2003 kabakhang bandi duma hak jaka pajba bat kiwe de ki jingdi ki wasniu bat kumju ru ban Pynsngewthuh halor ka jingser khai jong drugs. Ha kini jing pensapriang ya kini khobor la pelong baka jinga rally ke wasdang na lat surok bypass Mawkynroh bat la penkut pat ha pelau jong office terikam u block development officer ka Maulai community and rural development block kabadan ha kasnong Mautawar hadu arspa sanphongut ki khana pulie jong kin real click school kilai shementa kini jinga rally kenthop ru ki dekhot jong senglong kime Mautawar pelun ki dekhot ka seng samla bat kinong mi khmat na kasnong Mautawar.
You have heard from him that addiction is a disease. Be it addiction to drugs, addiction to tobacco and other tobacco products, and even addiction to this mobile phone is also a disease. So don't get yourself addicted with these mobile phones. So now I know that you are all very tired and it's been quite a long time. To spread the message that we want to tell to our friends, our family, is that no to drugs. We will always say no to drugs and yes to a healthy life. And at the rally, like this message spreading rally, it was a success. From your voice, from the voices, from the noises that you made, it was a success.